The best place to start is on what's going really well. Are there parts of your brand you're willing to change? Some parts of your brand that you're not willing to change, right? Set those guardrails. What are you in it for? Is it revenue? Is it improving the experience? You know, there's some transaction there you're trying to make another person's life better in some way.
In the DJ world, we're always trying to figure out the perfect time to play the perfect song to get the perfect reaction. And I think that's really important in business, adding friction and not being afraid of friction. And at certain points, it helps your brand when you can gatekeep a little bit or you hold things back.
We're not going to stop the technology train, right? We're not going to stop the AI train. And there are places where technology and removing friction can make a lot of sense. But we are seeing a resurgence of human connectivity and authenticity and connection and the ability to come together in a real way.
The more time I spend with AI, the more I appreciate things that aren't AI. And I don't mean that in the way that AI becomes less interesting. It's just that it's something that you just can't replicate in the real world. And yeah, AI makes that feel even more stark or obvious.
You can feel this overall analog theme and realize that, yeah, the analog is a kind of a nod to being human. Let's just get together and do things that make us feel like human again. In the world of big data, AI, sometimes it's good to make sure that you're hiring a firm that still has a human pulse to it and that we're not trying to automate everything. You know, we're still pushing in that direction, but just at a certain point, I think people really appreciate what we're doing here and making connections, making contacts, and building a little bit of a community. It's a world-class event here in Saskatoon, which is an awesome place for business.